Hey guys, Ayana the Hair Raiser here. First, I want to thank you guys so very much for supporting me in my pre-order and my launch of my new oil, the Hair Raiser Hair and Skin Oil. My baby, look at her, she's beautiful. Many of you have gotten your oil already or you're getting it. I've gotten some feedback on it. People are loving it, they're very excited. It smells good, it feels good, all that type of stuff. So thank you. So the purpose of this video is I really wanted to kind of sit down and talk to you guys about the uses of the oil, what's in the oil, and just answer any questions that you guys may have had through this video. All right, so let's get started. All right, so first up, the uses for the oil. Well, no, let me go through what's in the oil first. What's the structure, why I put certain things in the oil. All right, so first I chose avocado oil as the main, I guess the base or the main oil, mainly because avocado oil is kind of like that hidden treasure in a way. And it's also, unlike other oils are great and whatever works for you works for you. I chose avocado oil because it's one of the few oils that actually penetrates the hair shaft. So instead of just sitting on top of your hair and like weighing it down, and you're putting oil every few days and it's continuing to weigh your hair down, and by the end of the week your hair is just oily. No, avocado oil, it penetrates the hair shaft, and it has vitamins A, D, E, all of that in there, so it's actually moisturizing your hair. All right, so next up, one of my favorite scents is lavender oil, and not just because of the scent, but also because of the properties. So lavender has anti-inflammatory properties. So just imagine you putting that on your scalp, and let's say if you're dealing with psoriasis, eczema, or any other scalp issues, those anti-inflammatory properties are actually helping to cleanse the scalp and balance out your scalp. All right, so the next oil I chose to use was cedar wood. And cedar wood is actually an oil that helps to stimulate the hair follicles that can help promote hair growth. Now, I don't necessarily market the oil as just a hair growth oil, because that's not just what it's all about. This oil is for healthy hair and scalp, but it does have those properties in there that helps promote, hair growth, hair stimulation, all of that. So if you're looking for that and you want to try something new, the Hair Raiser Hair and Skin Oil does have those properties in there. All right, and last up is my fave, Clary Sage essential oils. The great thing about this oil in particular is that it has balancing properties. So if you're having any scalp issues or anything like that, it calms and balances your scalp. It balances out the pH. And listen, just all of these oils infused together, that's why I'm calling it my healthy hair and scalp oil, because all this goodness in there is just gonna have, man, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. All right, so let's move on to the uses of the Hair Raiser Hair and Skin Oil. So first up, when I was formulating this oil, I tried it in everything. I did everything possible, like just to figure it out, try it out, see what works, what doesn't work. And yeah, so I know. First, of course, it's a great hair oil that you can just put on your hair. Just, you guys know that I rock a super short pixie, so I'll put it on there, just to moisturize it, give it some shine, and keep it moving. So I use it, not daily, maybe every other day or every few days, to just kind of moisturize my hair, help style my hair, and go. Then another thing that I do is I do apply it to my scalp postpartum. I've had postpartum shedding, and my hair is just, kind of still growing back in some areas. So I do apply it to the temples of my scalp, just to promote that hair growth and get those, get the stimulation going in those areas. So, it can it can start moving, you know, and keep moving. My husband also uses the oil on his beard, so it is a beard oil as well. It works really well. It moisturizes his beard. It has it looking shiny, but it's not oily. You know, you ever hug the guy and you hug him and you his beard might touch your face and you got oil on your face? No, that's not happening. That's not happening with the Hair Razor hair and skin oil. It's not oily like that. It's not sitting on your face or whatnot. I also use it with my deep conditioners. So let's say I have my favorite deep conditioner. I will just take the oil, drop it in with the conditioner, put it on my hair, and bam. I guess increased the nutrients and the moisture with my deep conditioner. I've also used it in my color. I've put a few drops in my color. I've also put a few drops in my relaxer as well. I use a firm Fiber Guard sensitive scalp relaxer, and you have to mix it. So I've mixed a little bit of my hair and skin oil in there, and hey, it works. You know, that's just me. That's just some of the uses that I've used, that I've done. Then for my daughter, she's natural. I use it to style her hair. I use it as a sealant to, you know, when I want to add that moisture, the lock method with her hair. Yeah, like it has so many uses. It's not just for relaxed hair. It's not just for natural hair. It's for natural relaxed. It's for short hair, long hair. It's for mid-length hair. It's for all hair types, 100% all natural. So yeah, those are the uses and everything that's in the oil. Like I said, I am just super excited for everyone to try it out. Let me know what you think. Leave a review on my website. Yeah, and don't forget to order your bottle of the Hair Razor hair and skin oil.